what did those experiences teach you about resilience, recovery, and really listening to what the body is trying to say?
Yeah, so I mean, for me, I believe that the body can heal itself. I think resilience, I think it really teaches you like to kind of get back up. Uh, you know, Life will basically knock you down. Um, Life will be challenging. And I think those instances of injury or pain, yeah, I mean, because we always have a choice to either get back up or stay down when life happens, whether we sustain an injury from sports or whether if we just slipped on ice, just walking to work or something or walking outside. Um, but I think that human resilience is like it's built by those small, sometimes even big things that, like when life happens and that, because I feel like the easy way out is to give up. And it's always a choice to get back up and to try something new. And I think with recovery, I mean, for me, I've been a licensed massage therapist for like 18 years now. And so, I deal with a lot of um, sports injuries, whether it be runners, tennis elbow, golfers, things like that. And for me, is I look at the person as like, okay, you're experiencing this. What caused it? Is there any other areas that are, above it or below it or on the other side that's causing this issue as well? Because, the human body, it's not just your arm, it's your entire body that basically it encapsulates everything. So you might have like, a tennis elbow, but that the main source of cause might be in your neck or your shoulder, based on stress or overuse or things like that. And so for me, I look at the human body as a whole because everything is working together. Your muscles, your skeleton, your nervous system, your immune system. And yeah, I think recovery not only is um, soft tissue work, but chiropractors are great as well. But I think also nutrition plays a big part. The foods that we eat can either enhance our healing or they could be a detriment. If we're eating a lot of fast food and sugary drinks, it's going to cause more inflammation, and then your recovery process is not that great. And so for me, I think nutrition, soft tissue work, stretching is great recovery. Hydration is another one. When we're not drinking enough, our basically our muscles and tendons basically get stiff, and when they get stiff, it's like taking a cold rubber band and trying to stretch it. What's going to happen? It's gonna break, right? And that's kind of the same thing with like our own muscles and tendons and ligaments. And so, yeah, I think resilience and recovery, it really builds your character when you face these challenges, and then recovery. Uh, I'm not a big believer in like taking a pill, or doing surgery. I feel like surgery should be like last option, if you've done everything you can. But I believe that there's other ways to recover and heal.
Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.